I wish I got started with Forex trading before I became 24 years old. Now, if you are 20 years old, 21, 22, or 23, or 24 years old, and you're looking to become profitable at Forex trading within your first year of trading, then you want to pay a close attention to all the information I will share with you on this video. Now, the first thing we want to do is to get rid of the idea that Forex trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. While Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it could actually pay you for the rest of your life if you learn the skill set and then you master the art of trading. That takes me to tip number 2. Learn before you earn. In Forex trading, you have to take your time to learn a strategy, and then you practice the strategy over and over again on a few instruments that you understand and you align with. Learning never stops in Forex trading. Even when you are on your live account, you keep learning from experience, the experience that you face in the journey of Forex trading. After you've learned the essential basics of how to trade, the next thing you want to do is to take your time to practice on your demo account. You have learned what support and resistance is. You have learned the strategy, when to buy and when to sell. Don't rush into your live account to take those trades or practice how that thing works. No, take your time to practice it on your demo account, because this is a new skill set. Just like when you're in nursery school, you learn how to read and write and how to recite A, B, C, D. You took a lot of time to do that. It's the same thing with Forex trading. You want to take your time to learn how to read the charts and also learn how to control your emotions towards trading, and also learn how to risk money. It is called money management in Forex trading. All of this should come first on your demo account. So take your time to practice on your demo until you get it right. The next thing you want to do at this age is you want to fund an amount of money that you can truly afford. If you cannot buy a thing twice, then you cannot afford it. So one of the things you don't want to do is to get your school fees and put it into the Forex trading market hoping to make some profit. Don't do that. Or probably you get your house rent and you put it in Forex trading market that you want to make some profit, or perhaps you put in your life savings in the Forex market hoping to make some profit. Don't do that. You don't want to do that. Why? Because Forex trading is 80% psychological and 20% skill. So you don't want anything that will mess up with your psychology before coming to trade. So you want to trade with the amount of money that you can afford. If you can afford $10, start trading with $10. After you do that, after you've traded with a little money that you can afford, then you want to level up. And how do you level up and become a millionaire in Forex trading? That is what I want to share with you on this next tip. What you want to do next is you want to take prop firm challenges. Prop firms, that is proprietary firms, are organizations that have the money and are looking for skillful traders that's going to trade their money, and in return they pay a percentage split of the profits that the traders actually make. So you may consider purchasing a $50,000 account or a $100,000 account or $200,000, $300,000, or even $400,000 according to what you can afford. Now, when you take this prop firm account, the only person you got to prove things to is yourself. You have to prove to yourself that you can trade and then you can manage money. Now, the next tip I want to share with you, which is a very important thing in this journey of Forex trading, is you got to get a mentor. A mentor is somebody that knows the way, goes the way, and is willing to show you the way. So you find a mentor and you stay with your mentor for at least 1 year. This is a journey. This is something you've not done before. So you want to leverage on the expertise of someone else while you walk through the journey. And this is something you can leverage on to earn while you learn. Now, if you take all of the information that I've shared with you on this video, you're going to see that your Forex trading journey is going to be a very exciting and profitable journey.